Okay, guys, show you very important stretches for your neck if you have a pain in your neck because you dance a lot. Many people have a lot of, my students especially, here. If you have a lot of pain here, you cannot turn your head, like any kind of like neck problems. So this is what you have to do on a regular basis. It will help a lot. So bring your shoulders as high as possible up here, roll them back, and now press, pull with your arms as low as you can. And with your temple, with the top of your head, try to stretch yourself as tall as you can. So one more time, relax, shoulders up, pull down. So with your top of your head, with the temple, pull as high as you can. Hold this at least like 10 seconds. Pull. Very good. Now, keeping that tension, now try slowly, turn your head first to your left and keep tension in your arms. Keep pulling those arms down as you're turning your head and try to look behind yourself as far as you can, stretching your neck muscles. Hold it for 10 seconds. Increase more and more and more and more. Return, relax, and again. Shoulders up, down, stretch your head as tall as you can, up as high as you can. And now turn your head to the left, to the right at this point. Try to look behind yourself as far as you can. Feel the stretch in your neck. Hold for 10 seconds. Yeah, relax again. Up, down. Yeah, pull up as high as you can go. Look to the left. Behind yourself. Keep tension in your arms. Pull arms down. Relax and again. Up, down. And now look to the other side as far as you can. Repeat it like 3 more times on each side. Relax. Now next one, go up, down, and now try to keeping this tension in your arms. Imagine like you hold 2 very strong suitcases, and try to keeping this stretch in your head, in your neck. Try to tilt your head to your left, but not like putting your ear on the shoulder, but actually keeping that stretch in the neck this way, like someone pulls you up here. Yeah, feel the strong stretch and hold it for the 10 seconds. Very good. Come back again. High shoulders, put them behind. Feel the stretch. Feel your arms pulling down, temple of the head pulling up, and now stretch to the other side. Try not to drop your ear towards your shoulder, but pull up. Relax, and again. Up, down, now stretch to the other side. Hold it for 10 seconds at least. Relax, and again. Up, down, other side. Okay, next one. Relax, go up, down, stretch your temple as high as you can, hold it for 10 seconds, and now start pushing your chin as far as possible forward, but having that stretch, temple still reaching up, arms reaching down, and then your chin going forward, like you're trying to put your face into some small window, and come back, and again, up, down, now stretch forward. Very, very good. Keep this tension of the arms pulling down. Yeah, look at from the side. Up, down, pull your shoulders down, stretch your temple as high as you can, and chin as far forward as you can. Keep this arms pulling down. Hold it for 10 seconds at least. Relax. Up, down. So we're gonna tuck our chin in. So go shoulders up, down, press your hands down, and now try to, you can even use your hand to push your chin in. And relax. 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 Look from the side. Up, down. Now, tuck your chin in. 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 Do it also 3-4 times. And after that, You should have less tension in your neck, shoulders, and also you can improve your posture, which is very important for dancing. When you dance, you can have more open this part, beautiful neck. Because very often I see people dancing like this, walking like this, or let's say you wake up, you have a little bit tension here. This also will help you.